You can play like you don't know, but I'm the motherfucking truth. Spitting real game and I'm clutching in the booth. We was both on one, now we fucking in the booth. She look me in my eyes, she say, nigga, you the truth. Bad and rude, body.
YouTube, back with another video. So, I got a package yesterday, and we're about to find out what it is. Hold on for a minute, y'all. About to find out what it is. Right nizzle. Oh, let me get a razor blade or something. Fucking FedEx was out here a minute ago. I ain't see him. I ain't even see him get out the trunk or get out the truck. What we got? What we got? Boom. New AC compressor. Because the other one was wobbling. So this is pretty much the same setup. Same setup, everything. Gotta take that one out. Take that one out. Of course, take my lines and shit back off. And you know what's about to happen, so I'm about to do that right now because it's fucking on my belt. Like, if you can see, that shit's rotting on the outside of it because a motherfucking pulley wobbling, which I don't understand why, because the motherfucker brand new. But hey, just as long as I get my shit replaced out, because every motherfucker thing, damn near everything on this thing is fucking warrantied out. So, well, got warranty on it. So I don't even fucking worry about having to exchange. It's just about the time frame that I get it. Change this motherfucker out real quick. And yeah, we could pretty much move accordingly. So that's gonna be the video for today, changing out my AC. It's pretty much the same. And yeah, so that's gonna be one of my videos today, is changing out this AC. So it's pretty smooth, pretty damn smooth. But stay tuned. I'll cut y'all back on with the disassemble.
The roof and let the smoke in. I got diamonds doing tootsie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy. She got her toys. Keep it coming.
YouTube, I'm back. Okay, I'll come in there in a minute. Man, I got the compressor out and that fucking O-ring dropped, so I gotta fucking see. Man, you know how when you working on something and you drop something and then you can't, and then it don't hit the ground, you don't be knowing where the fuck it is. But I found that hoe. Boom. Got that O-ring. So yeah, let me go check these boys' rooms, make sure they're cleaned up, and then I'm gonna come back and do the install. So yeah, just pretty nice little install. 3 bolts, couple shims, couple bushings, and yeah, That bad boy installed. So just stay tuned. I'll be right back with the install. Okay, YouTube, got everything set back up. Got my bolts in, lines hooked back up. Bolts in, lines hooked back up, belt back on. Nice little exchange. And man, this thing is back like it never left. So that's that AC wire I'm gonna need later. Check that out to the side. What? Okay, down this. And yeah, man. I bled the brakes. Me and Sebastian bled the brakes, and it seemed like they're tight like they supposed to. So, well, it's supposed to be, but I haven't started it up and checked it out or anything. But yeah. What's next? It's time to get back on this trunk. So, this was a replacement of AC compressor. Belt was wobbling. I mean, well, the pulley was wobbling. Actually, y'all can see it. I'll show y'all what it was doing. You see how it's, if you look real close, you can see it wobbling back and forward. So I don't know how the hell that happened, but it's replaced now. I don't know how the hell that happened, because I mean I haven't ran anything to it or nothing like that, so I don't know what was going on there. But shit, when you got shit on warranty, when you let them niggas know that it's a problem, they always take care of me with no problem. So yeah, man. Go ahead, send this baby back. They can do whatever they want to with it. They can do whatever they want to with it. As long as they take care of me when I need to be taken care of, so I won't have no issues. We're pretty much good. But that's that, and I'm out.